We'll guide you through how to create a drawing in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Once you're in, you'll see a blank canvas ready for your creativity. To start, let's set up the document. Go to the File menu and select Document Properties. Here, you can adjust the size of your canvas to fit your project needs. You can choose from A4, letter, or any custom size you prefer. Once that's set, close the Document Properties window. Next, it's time to create your first shape. Head over to the left toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a rectangle. If you want to adjust the size of proportions, simply click on the shape and use the handles to resize it. Need a circle? Switch to the circle tool in the same toolbar and draw a circle by clicking and dragging just like you did with the rectangle. Now let's add some color. Select your shape, then look at the bottom of the screen for the color palette. Click on any color you like and it will fill your shape. If you want more precise colors, double click on the color bar at the bottom to open the fill and stroke panel, where you can choose from a wider range of colors and adjust transparency. To add text, select the text tool from the toolbar, click on the canvas and start typing. You can modify the font, size, and style using the options at the top. To move any object, select it with the select tool and drag it to the desired position. You can also use the arrow keys for precise movements. Once you're satisfied with your drawing, it's time to save your work. Go to File and click Save As. Choose the format you need, like SVG, PNG, or PDF. Then hit Save. This way, you can always come back and edit your drawing later. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore all the tools Inkscape offers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.